This will be a post on how to create a weblog in Blogger, which is owned by Google. So the first thing you do is open up a new tab, and you have to get a Gmail account or sign into Gmail if you have one. Gmail has a terrific suite of applications, and I recommend you get a Gmail account. So once you're signed in, if you go to blogger.com, you will open the dashboard of what's called a dashboard. It's a list of your blogs. So what you want to do is not edit an old blog, but create a new blog, which is right here. So click on that. You want to name your blog, so we'll call it Test 1. These titles will be put in capital letters, and we'll call this Test 2246. Not every name is available, so I'm just doing that to make sure it's available. This blog address is available. If I put Test 1234, it most likely will not be. Let's try it out. Test 123, or let's just try Test. See, it says this blog address is not available. So pick one that's easy for people to remember. Someone else has thought of that. 2247. How about that? So that's available. Then you have to do a word verification. It's a little difficult for me to read. I have a Mac, so I can zoom in. INGHTSK. Click on Continue. Choose a template. I just choose the first one because it's easy, but there's many templates and you can always change them after too. This is by default selected. Click on Continue. And then it says it's been created. Start blogging. You'll see a blog post window. You can make a title. How to test a blog. You can add text. And you can bold it with the bold, and it adds HTML code, add text within the code. You can preview it and see that it's bolded and there's a title. If I unbold it and preview it, you can see it's not bolded. Okay. Click on Hide Preview. If you're in Compose, it's a little bit harder to do. Like, let's try to add an image. Let's choose a file, an image file, and then click on Upload Image, then click on Done. It's a little confusing here. I would use HTML. This gives you the list. Now you can see it says add text down here. You need to figure out where the beginning of the post and the end of a post is. So if I click here and I scroll down, and then I click on Publish Post, it'll give me this window, and I'll say open this in a new window or a new tab, and then I should have the blog with the word add text underneath. Now you have this stuff on the side here. I would just get rid of it by clicking on, unless you want this stuff right here. Just click on the tools, which is editing right in your blog since you're signed in. Click on remove, confirm, and then I'd remove this one unless you want this. You can always put them back. Now you have a nice clean blog, picture, title, picture, and text.